Salesforce, right? For a sales cloud, when I say sales cloud or any sales business, the first object we create in Salesforce is lead. Okay. The leads can be created in different ways for Salesforce. Like because when I say lead is not a customer. Lead is not your customer information. Lead is something who who is enquiring. Who is enquiring? When I say enquiry, few of them may turn into your customer, few of them will not turn to your customer, right? So before we start any business or a sales business, sales cloud or sales model in Salesforce, the first record we create is lead record. And leads can be created in different ways. It can be created with third-party applications. It can be created with Web2 lead, or someone one can give a phone call and they can create a lead, and someone manually can enter within the system. There are different ways. Again, right? Here in lead object we need to consider few things. Let's say lead got created. I have a company where my company providing a services like electronic service, waste services, food services. If someone created a lead with a food service, he is requesting for a food service, and to whom it need to assign, to a food service department or to some other group, right? When I create, because let's say I am not a food service group, I am just a marketing, okay? As soon as if I create, who will be the lead owner? It's me who will be the lead owner. But actually, lead owner should be someone else. Lead owner should be someone else, right? Belongs to the particular group. Yeah. Now let's do one thing. First, we'll set up some groups, okay? So in Salesforce, we have a concept of group and queues, public groups and queues. And group can be a lead owner. Queue can be a lead owners, okay? See, department means more than one person can be exist, isn't it? So only I'm trying to create a queues, different queues. One is food sales, and here we need to select object. You can see, right? I'm selecting lead from the available objects, and queue members I'm just adding my user and sales manager. I'm adding these two users only always. It's just like queues will be different. Okay, food sales is done, and I'm creating page sales, and I'll say lead and pro coding skills sales manager. I'm adding same users because we have a user limitations in Salesforce for developer editions. And e-products sales. Okay, lead, and we created a leads, isn't it? We created new queues. Now question goes, whenever I go to a lead, let's go new new lead, and in lead source and industry we have agriculture, apparel, banking and everything, right? I should also see that product type. Okay, I just need another field here called product type. How can I get that product type? New field, right? So I'll go with lead. I'll look into a lead, create new custom field as a pick list, right? Fields and relationships, new pick list. Product type, I'll say that service type. I'll say the service type, and I'll add my pick list value saying that e products Then what else? Waste, food, right? And then I'll go back. Next, I'll make visible to all profiles because we're not enforcing any security. I'm not adding to any layout and I'm saving it for now. I'll go manually to a page layout to add a field at a particular location, not at a different locations, okay? Where I need lead source top. That where I'm looking for a this one, right? Service type. Save. Now I'll go back, refresh it. New. Now we have service type. When I say e-products, then lead should assign automatically to the e-products owner. I mean e-products queue. But for now, if I try to create any product now, e-products, and I'll say e-product. If I save, what happens? It will assign to pro coding skill. But this is not a wrong, right? This is wrong, isn't it? It should go to the department. Department need to work on this lead to categorize whether he can be a potential customer or not. But with this approach, we are not able to route leads. So you cannot manage business. For that, what is lead offering us? There is a concept called lead assignment rules. There is a concept called lead assignment rules. So you can look here, lead assignment rules. There is a lead assignment rules, isn't it? I'll create one new standard rule, new custom rule called lead custom. And you can have only one active assignment rule. You cannot have multiple active assignment. If you activate this, the other one got disabled, right? They have some basic scenarios, Salesforce provided like US, UK, but it would always nice to have your own custom one instead of a standard one. No, even if it is used before it assigns to the same person, right? So it's just based on country here, country US, UK, United States, and this one this is just a sample they showed us. That's it. Technically, it is not doing anything. Now, here are the rule entries. You can have multiple rule entries at a different conditions. Let's say, what is our first condition? If the service type, lead type is 1, service type lead, service type equals e-products, then to whom we need to assign? To Q. And I'll say e-products. And if you want to send a communication saying that lead is assigned to your department, you can have a template here. Save and new. And I can have other one. Let's create one more thing. 2. I'll tell you. Equals waste Q save and new. Service type equals food and is assigned to Q. Food sales save. Now if I can go back here, this is the order. What Salesforce will do, whenever the lead record is getting created, the system will check from 1 to continues. Okay, if condition matches here, it will execute this, it will return back, it will not look other things. There are a condition saying that lead service type equal to e products and country equal to USA, then assign it to Akil. Now, that's the same condition. But here, if you can see, if service type equals e products, we are assigning to e product sales. But there is one exception here. If and country equal to US, we need to assign to Akil. Do you want to keep after first rule or before first rule? Yes, that's an order. Exactly. So we need to check always what order it is trying to execute. Pro coding skills. To me, because I am the person who is responsible going forward. Today's leads. Here you can see Akil, who is owner now, pro coding skills. So I am responsible to work on this lead. So it just drop into the group bin, I mean department bin, and whoever frees, they will pick that and they will start working on that lead conversion. Once the lead is set, like he is interested, they will make the lead status to closed converted or open converted, working contacted, closed converted, whatever you have, right? Lead status, what they do, and then if they accept, okay, fine, we are good, then they do convert here directly. There is an option called convert. What lead can convert? Lead can be converted to account, contact, and one opportunity. Creating opportunity is an optional. Why? Because let's say you are a good customer. For now, you do not have any service required. You might need in future. But you are a good customer. So what we can do, instead of you be a lead, we'll make as a customer. So potentially I can able to do business with you in future days, near days. That's the expectation. So as soon as you convert lead, then you will not be a lead anymore. Akhil is not a lead anymore. What it will become? It will be the customer, right? He will become a customer. And what customer can able to do? What you can do with a customer? You can run your business. You can generate more revenue through opportunities. Yes. Convert. Your lead has been converted to Akhil Food Services, contact and opportunity. See? Now account history, account Akil, one opportunity is created, one contact is created, there will be no more leads anymore. Lead is converted. If I can go here, uh, I'll create a new list view here. Okay, create new converted leads, all users. You can define to whom you need to share with, and I'll go with the filters, all leads, done, add filter, lead status, lead status equals closed converted, save. Okay, there is other field called is converted. Converted equals true. Okay, why it is not coming? Wait. Let me see one thing. Developer console. Ideally, you should get that. Select ID, comma, converted, comma, lead status from lead is converted. Okay, comma name Akil, right? Closer converted, it should come, right? Closer converted and true. Why it is not coming here? Lead status equals closer converted, closer converted, and I'm just adding it. Save. 100 by owner. This is different. Okay. Oh, I remembered. Converted leads, proper converted leads will not able to see. For this Andy Young and all, right? What happened? For these guys, there will be no this one. Where is this Andy? Andy Young. See, is converted false. Lead will show only what are the leads are not converted. Might be their status is here you can see where is Andy closer converted, but it is not actually converted. But if the lead is actually converted, then it will become is converted true, and which will not show in the lead list views, right? So you cannot able to access it. What we can do, we can take this ID, we can take this ID. That's a basic behavior of leads, because you are not lead anymore, you are a customer, right? Akil is a customer. Now you can see lead was already converted. This is how it will give information. And that it open in Classic, not in Lightning. Even in Lightning experience, if I paste the record ID, it this is a contact ID, sorry. Now I'm pasting lead ID, right? Where it is taking? It is taking to contact. See, so you cannot access converted lead in Lightning experience, which which is not allowed in Classic. At least you can see. That's it. Because lead converted means it's an account and a contact. It's not a lead anymore. Yep.